In today's video, I will teach you how to design your own YouTube video thumbnail in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the home page, type in the keyword YouTube thumbnail on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the thousands of available templates in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. You can also start from scratch by clicking on the blank template option at the first row of the template library. And to start from a custom size page, you can simply click on the Create a Design option at the top panel and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. I highly suggest using 1280 by 720 pixels as it is the standard size for YouTube thumbnails. And once you've opened your canvas or template, you can now customize your template based on your preferred design. If you would like to be more precise with your work, you can enable the guides, print bleeds, and margin in the File tab. To add images, you can simply open the Uploads tab to import your images directly from your computer. You also have the option to make some adjustments and apply a filter onto your photos by clicking on the Edit Image button at the top panel. Here, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation of the illustration, and you can also apply a filter onto it. Just play around with the settings until you're satisfied. In case of elements, you can also add illustrations and graphics from the Elements tab. And to customize the color scheme of the illustrations, you can edit the color scheme at the top panel. Lastly, to add text, simply open the Text tab and select which type of text you would like to make, or simply use the text combination presets in the text library. And at the top panel, you can change the font style, font size, and the color of the text. To save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the right format for your file. I highly recommend using either PNG or JPG as a file format. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.